I'm Dr. Robert Fallis, the CEO and Principal Industrial Organizational Psychologist with Fallis Associates Inc. We specialize in improving the performance and well-being of organizations, groups, teams, and individuals. Obviously, you might want to know how this relates to you and your organization. What's in it for you is that we can help you to get better evidence or data for making people-related decisions. People are a variable resource for most organizations. We can help you to reduce that variability. For example, we can help you to increase the percentage of new hires who are successful. In one situation, I was able to help a major manufacturer increase their successful apprentice hires from 50% to 96%. In addition, we have provided more effective, objective, and defensible compensation, incentive, and other HR systems, plus organizational climates for small to medium-sized and large organizations. Finally, we can help you and your people take the necessary steps to resolve most of your other issues and concerns. More specifically, you might ask, what makes our job-related hiring approach invaluable in today's business climate? The answer is that it gives you a competitive edge so that you can do a better job of selecting the cream from the many available job applicants. These are the steps that most employers use when using standard hiring practices. First of all, they advertise, or they'll take whoever happens to be there. Secondly, they use recruiters and/or job boards. Thirdly, they conduct unstructured interviews. Then they have to train the new employees. And if they are an unusual organization, they might actually evaluate how well the hiring worked out. We have a saying in our field, if you hire in haste, you repent in leisure. The next couple of slides outline the steps that we typically take to do job-related hiring. When we do job-related hiring, the first thing we do is a job analysis. This provides us with a much more objective look that can enable us to find the position's exact job requirements, attributes, and abilities that are required, and it also helps us to determine what the position is worth. The next step is we then prepare objective targeted advertisements and recruiting practices, including preparing a pre-screening form. And once again, this is tied into the information from the job analysis. After the pre-screening, we do background and job applicant matching interviews. Finally, we use interest and attribute measurements through psychological testing that provide a much more objective matching of the applicants to the position. Then the organization does final selection interviews, and they're dealing with people that have much stronger matches to the job requirements, so therefore they can be reasonably well assured that the people that they're interviewing are all quite capable of performing the job well. The next step is training. We reach this step, the better hires that have resulted so far are much easier to train, and the job analysis information about the critical job demands helps the trainers to target the key job requirements. In addition, the more objective information that is provided by the job analysis falls into other areas such as performance reviews, promotional decisions, and compensation decisions. This whole process is therefore much more cost-effective, valid, and defensible than are the standard hiring practices. The bottom line is that the job analysis clearly identifies the attributes and abilities required for the position. We can then objectively provide the critical information about how well the various candidates meet those requirements. For further information, a copy of this presentation, and so on, please click on the Contact Us button on this website and fill in the secure form and its comments section.